So I'm going to connect with Michelle, who gave me permission to work on Vince today. He's not feeling well. I usually select the first person I see give me permission on my screen. This is pulling in several feeds all at once, so you may not see all the comments on the feed that you're on. So I'll try to put those on the screen when I'm talking about a specific comment. Permission to connect with Vince from his higher self. Yes, what can I do for you today? Not feeling well. A lot of people are feeling really under the weather. My nanny canceled today because she was feeling sick. My son is home from school. My husband said he was feeling sick too. So I'm like, everybody is like crumbling. And I was feeling sick, I think on Tuesday or Wednesday, but it was really detoxing. What do you have to show me today, Vince? I see it's really fuzzy. This collective energy that feels like static, that is creating a disruption in our energetic fields. We are bioelectric magnetic beings. So that means we have magnetic energy within us, electric energy within us. And thus we are impacted by that energy outside of us. And we can have short circuiting and different things happen. I asked to see the source, and it looks like cell towers, radio type towers sending out disruptive frequencies. I did find about 3 weeks ago that we were being hit with what I would call 6G frequencies, even though that may not technically have been activated, that they're telling us, but that frequency was in the air essentially. Is this what's causing part of your issues? Yes. I see that within the body, it is creating an imbalance on a cellular level. The cells are not vibrating at a balanced frequency. Can I work on this for the collective? Yes. Is that now balanced? Yes. Anything else to do here? Or is detox pathways open completely? Yes. Were they? No. So what I found with my family and I think the reason that I felt sick was Tuesday or Wednesday was because I feel like our detox pathways keep getting closed. Like they're opened up, operating correctly, and then they shut down, which causes this backup of energy. And then we feel ill. This seems to be what was happening for Vince. So be sure to let me know, Michelle, how he's doing, just so I can follow up on this issue for the collective. Anything else to ask about that? No. Okay, moving on. Thanks for letting me connect with you, Vince, and showing me what was going on. I get a lot of really amazing information from clients. We're technically all connected to our source creator of unconditional love, and I see us as fractals divided off. So we're technically all connected. So by connecting to one person, they might have a different perspective of what's going on in the world, or maybe they were more closely involved in something. And that allows me to do some of these big collective projects that are impacting a lot of people, or maybe it's just individual only impacting your body.